Hey, this is Cleat again, Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom on an Ask the Expert segment. And I want to tell you, we love it when we get questions from our viewers. And this one is really a good one. Someone's put me on the spot and they said, Cleat, really, what do you like? Samsung or LG in terms of durability? And that is, something I have to look in the mirror and say, I got to answer this as truthfully as I can. The answer is, I don't see any difference between them. In terms of durability, I get to see all the numbers. And I can tell you that the failure rate on an LG, to me, I don't see any difference between that and a failure rate on a Samsung. So if you're looking for durability, I would say, in my book, it's a tie. My other advice is, don't really get that information from a repair service technician. Why is that? Because they may tell you, oh yeah, we see lots of Samsung we have to fix, and we see lots of LG we have to fix. Why would that be? Well, it's because we sell more of those two brands. I did when I was with other companies. I've done it with this company. Those brands sell better because of their pricing than all the other brands that I'm aware of. So we will naturally see, when you walk into the house, odds are you're going to see a Samsung or an LG. Now, there's other very popular brands that I like as well, and also do very well in durability. I'm just saying that in terms of just the math, the odds are you're going to see one of those, and that's why a service guide may tell you, yeah, you don't want LG, or yeah, you don't want Samsung, or yeah, you don't want Whirlpool, one or the other, because these are very, very popular brands. And if you sell 1 million of something, that's the brand you're going to see. If you sell 100,000 of something, that's probably, you're not going to see that as often. And you may mistakenly think that's a better quality item. In terms of which one to buy, do I like LG? Do I like Samsung? I can tell you that it really depends on the features that you like. I tend to favor the LGs a little bit more. I like that they've redesigned their compressor. They have what's called a linear compressor. It's very quiet. It comes with a 10-year warranty. I like that. Do you know what? Samsung has a nice compressor too. It also comes with a 10-year warranty. I just don't know any details about when it was last designed. In terms of new innovative features, overall, I like the LG because they have things like InstaView. They have the wine that can be chilled really fast. They have the nice ice that you can get, the big round ice that you can get. They have some great features. On the other hand, Samsung has the hub, and I can't think of anything cooler than having a computer on the outside of your refrigerator where you can keep your family connected on it. There's a lot of good things. It really just depends on your preference. So don't look for durability to be the reason you buy one or the other.